The federal budget is the government's annual financial plan, detailing expected revenue and expenditures for the upcoming fiscal year. Its primary objective is to allocate resources to various federal programs and activities, such as defense, education, healthcare, and infrastructure, while managing the nation's fiscal responsibilities. Revenue for the federal budget primarily comes from taxes, including individual income taxes, payroll taxes, corporate taxes, and other fees and duties. These revenues are estimated for the fiscal year and play a crucial role in shaping budget proposals. Expenditures in the budget are categorized into mandatory and discretionary spending. Mandatory spending is legally required, with Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid being the largest components. This type of spending is determined by existing laws and often grows based on predefined criteria like population aging or healthcare costs. Discretionary spending, however, is determined through the annual appropriations process in Congress. It covers a wide range of activities, including defense, education, and transportation. Defense often constitutes the largest part of discretionary spending. Each year, Congress debates and decides on the allocation of funds in this category, reflecting the government's priorities and responding to current events. The budget process begins with the President submitting a proposal to Congress, typically in February. This proposal outlines the administration's fiscal policies, priorities, and spending recommendations. Congress reviews this proposal, makes modifications, and must pass appropriation bills to fund the government. The process involves multiple committees and subcommittees and includes extensive negotiations. Balancing the budget involves ensuring that expenditures do not significantly exceed revenues. When spending exceeds revenue, it results in a deficit, which the government covers by borrowing, increasing the national debt. Conversely, a surplus occurs when revenues exceed expenditures. The federal budget affects every aspect of the economy and citizens' lives, influencing inflation, employment rates, and economic growth. It also has profound implications for social equity, determining funding for public services and benefits that support lower-income communities. Understanding the federal budget is crucial as it reflects the government's priorities and impacts all sectors of society. It is a key tool for economic management and social governance, involving complex decisions that balance economic performance and social welfare.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Your support helps us keep bringing you great videos like this one.